This is the solar powered bank from Good AAA, Good AAA, and this is model number PNW31. And this thing is like a lifesaver. This could be like a great to-go kit. Like, you know, you got your go bag, take this with you. You're gonna go camping. You're gonna put this in the trunk for like emergencies, or put it on your desk and charge your phone with it. All right. So here's the instructions. Instructions are very important. You must read those. But instead of doing that, we're going to look at this. So here's the solar cell. So you put this in the sun and it'll power up. And how do you know it's powered up? Right here, there are 4 LED indicators. If I press this on button right here, that'll light up and that tells me the battery charge we have there. So what happens if you don't have any sun, right? Well, the bottom here, you have a hand crank. So you can spin this around, you can generate electricity that way. So if it's a cloudy day and you need to survive. Also, it's got a little compass here. That's really nice. It also has multiple chargers that are attached. So it does come with a cable. That's a USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-C. It also comes with this lanyard and little like hooks. So like right here, you can put the ring here, and then you got your tiny little carabiner. You can snap this to your belt or to your backpack, that sort of thing. Here's where you have like USB. This is a regular USB. I can prove it. See, this is also a USB. A lot of people don't know that that's all you need for USB. Let me show you. Here's where you can charge it. So I'm going to charge this by plugging this in here, and it's charging. Nice. All right. Also, you have here a, you can charge things with the USB-C cord that's right here. You can also do it with the USB regular micro. But built in here, you got a lightning charger. So in case you're an iPhone dude, you got the USB-C for your cell phone and other things. And for older devices, you have the micro USB right here. And of course, full-size USB. This is a wireless charging pad. You put your phone on there. I'm using my phone to record, but you can put a phone on here and it'll wirelessly charge, which is cool. And then there's another survival handy thing here too. If you press this button, right, and you hold, well, you turn it on, you press and hold this button, you'll get 2 LED lights. And if you press, you'll get SOS. So if you're on a ship, you know, you're on your boat and like it's night and you need like SOS, you need towed back to shore, you can put this out there and somebody will see it hopefully, or you can signal overhead if you're a downed pilot behind enemy lines. I'm not judging. And then you press one more time. You got a strobe, so you're broken down on the highway, changing the tire, put this on the ground, flashes lights, put it on your bumper, nobody will come and like hit you hopefully. Press again, turns it off. All right. About all I can tell you. I don't know what else to say, except this is pretty cool. It's got a little heft. It's got a plastic case, but it looks like it's pretty durable plastic. If you drop this thing on the ground, it'd probably survive. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions, let me know. Put them in the comments. I always try to answer questions. Thank you very much for Good AAA for sending me one of these. PNW31 solar power bank with hand crank generator. This could save your life someday, or make your life very inconvenient during power outages or on the go camping, roadside assistance, all that kind of stuff. All right. You guys put in the comments what you would use this for. Let me know. Also, there'll be a description in the description box, a link to go find this and buy one for yourself. Very affordable. All right. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.